I want to quickly talk to you about Squarespace, and we are actually reviewing Squarespace website builder. Is it really great when it comes to website building at all? Let's have a conversation about that. So here's an overview I want you to pay attention to. So when you think about Squarespace, I want you to think about an all-in-one website builder, best known for its stunning designs. I mean, the templates are really fantastic. This popular platform makes it easy to establish your online presence, manage your sites, and set up an online shop. So between its affordable pricing and intuitive interface, Squarespace really offers a great package for both individual users and new business owners alike. So what we love about Squarespace is that we love the fact that it's really user-friendly. You are able to set up like an account online real fast, and you have beautiful templates. This is just fantastic. We love the fact that you have beautiful templates and you can really do a lot of stuff. So when you think about Squarespace, think about unlimited storage, unlimited bandwidth. You have mobile responsive sites. You have drag and drop functionality, social media marketing tools, email marketing tools. You have ease of use, value. So those are really, really fantastic. Okay. And so when you think about Squarespace, think about a tool that has constantly been updated. And so let's talk about the pros and cons here. So one of Squarespace's most noteworthy attributes is the drag and drop editor. It makes it easy to customize its award-winning templates with no coding skills. So you don't need to have a PhD in coding. The platform also provides everything needed to actually create a complete website, including hosting, a custom domain name if you don't already have one, and email. And Squarespace's e-commerce features are fully integrated into most plans, which is really rare when you really think about it for website builders. And if you need additional features, such as, let's say, abandoned cart recovery, or let's say subscriptions, they can easily be added with the highest tiered plan. What about the cons here? Let's talk about the cons. So while there are many pros to using Squarespace, there are several downsides. So although Squarespace offers 24/7 customer support, it does not have phone support, which can be frustrating if you need immediate assistance. A Squarespace personal plan does not allow you to use CSL or JavaScript, which limits the extent to which you can customize your site. So it doesn't have a free plan, which is rare for website builders. However, it does have a 14-day free trial, so you can try before you buy. Boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. Make yourself comfortable. You are going to enjoy today's conversation. Let's talk about the features that you really need to pay attention to when you actually want to sign up for Squarespace. So first of all, you have a website builder and templates. So the Squarespace website builder is one of the main reasons people use the platform. So this intuitive drag and drop interface makes it easy to customize Squarespace's award-winning templates without needing to know HTML, JavaScript, or CSS. So there are more than 100 to 150 of these templates, with new ones added regularly. So whether you need one with a blog, a portfolio, an e-commerce site, or all three, Squarespace has a template for you. So this is kind of cool. You also have blogging. So blogging actually is really great also. Now you need to understand that Squarespace is actually a place, like, they have a platform that allows you to host all of those capabilities: blog, e-commerce websites, or just a regular website. One thing I need to really understand is that if you want to make money blogging, you don't want to use Squarespace to host your site. Instead, use WordPress, which is widely accepted as the best platform for professional bloggers. It's really important. Okay. So if you were to go with blogging, well, yes, you have some blogging capabilities in Squarespace, but they're not as developed. They're not as advanced. They're not as comprehensive as what you would find, for instance, on Weebly or Squarespace. Now, Weebly or WordPress rather. Okay. What about e-commerce? Well, if you plan on selling products or services online, Squarespace is a great option. Most of its plans come with e-commerce features that are fully integrated into the platform. So this means what? It means you do not need to install a separate e-commerce plugin as you would with WordPress. It also offers a wide range of beautiful templates that are designed for online stores. Not a problem. And Squarespace makes it easy to add products to your website and accept payments. Plus, its built-in shipping calculator makes it easy to calculate and display shipping rates to your customers. This is really fantastic. And if you need additional features, such as, let's say, abandoned cart recovery or APIs, they can be easily added with its highest tiered plan. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. This is the Squarespace Website Builder review. Let's talk about the pricing here. So you can see that I want you to look on the screen right now. Here is a pricing for Squarespace as of the date of this show. So you can see that you have four types of pricing tiers. You have the personal plan, the business plan, the basic commerce plan, and the advanced commerce plan. The question is, which one is right for you? It really depends on your online ambition. Okay. So basically you have monthly licensing fees that range from $16 all the way to $65, depending on what tier of service you use and whether you want to pay monthly or annually. Squarespace does not have a free plan, though it really offers a 14-day free trial. So this is kind of cool. And for comparison, for example, Wix's paid plans range from $16 to $59 per month. And the GoDaddy Website Builder paid plans range from $10 to $30 per month. Now, the primary differences between the Squarespace's plans are the number of features offered. So e-commerce functionality is available on all plans except the personal plan. And so when we talk about the personal plan, this is basically you have unlimited bandwidth, SEO features, full access to the Squarespace template collection, and you have 24/7 customer support via chat and email. And so the personal plan also includes basic website metrics and up to 2 contributors. For the business plan, you have everything that you have on the personal plan, in addition to professional email from Google, advanced website analytics, promotional pop-ups and banners, and complete customization with CSS and JavaScript. And the business plan also includes actually fully integrated e-commerce with a 3% transaction fee. Now, for the basic commerce plan and advanced commerce plan, the difference is just a matter of synchronization with Instagram in terms of your products. You also want to have point of sale functionality, customer accounts, and merchandising, in addition to things like abandoned cart recovery, advanced shipping options, advanced discounts and promotion features, and the ability to sell subscriptions. That's all. Let's talk about the extras here. So when we talk about Squarespace, what are the extras? First, let's talk about the ease of use. So Squarespace, in our view, is one of the easiest site builders to use. The platform is completely drag and drop, so you can easily add content and rearrange it on your pages without having to touch a single line of code. And I really mean it. And if you do want to get into code, Squarespace makes that easy too, provided you have the business plan or higher. What about Squarespace safety and security? Well, safeguarding your site is important, especially if you are running an e-commerce store. So Squarespace offers several safety and security features to help keep your site and your customers' information safe. So all Squarespace all the sites come with SSL encryption to protect data in transit. It also hashes your passwords and uses 2-factor authentication for additional security. Should a security issue occur with Squarespace, it has a formal incident response process to remedy the problem. And in terms of Squarespace customer service and support, well, they do have access to 24/7 email and chat support. You also have access to the Squarespace Help Center. And so in the knowledge base, you can access tutorials, guides, videos, webinars, and a community forum. Phone support is not available though, and this can be problematic when you need to troubleshoot a complex problem quickly. What about Squarespace domains? Well, you will receive a free domain for your first year with any plan if you pay annually instead of monthly. Otherwise, Squarespace domain costs range from $20 all the way to $70 per year, and all domains include an SSL certificate and WHOIS privacy. So unlike other domain providers such as GoDaddy, and so Squarespace does not actually gouge you on domain renewals. You just renew at the same rate as the initial purchase. You don't have to purchase your domain through Squarespace if you already have a license If you already license a domain through another service, you can easily connect it to your Squarespace site, not a problem. If you have trouble doing this, just reach out to Squarespace's support team for help. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We are having a conversation about Squarespace. So this is a Squarespace website builder review. What is the value added here? So there are additional tools and functionality that you need to know about if you were to go with Squarespace website builder review. First of all, you have email marketing. So Squarespace's email editor is drag and drop and comes with plenty of customizable templates to nurture and engage your audience via email. And the good thing is all emails are responsive, so they'll look the same whether your customer views them on a desktop, iPad, or cell phone. And email marketing plans start at $5 per month, paid annually, and can go up to $68 per month. So this is kind of cool. So as soon as you send your email, you can access analytics in real time so you know how your email campaign performs. And because it syncs with your website's analytics, you know which traffic comes from your email efforts or which traffic is organic. You can also personalize your emails to include the customer's name, set up sequences, and segment your list. And in terms of SEO, well, Squarespace is really great in terms of SEO. The tools include a best practices checklist, integration with Google Search Console. You have page titles, descriptions, the ability to hide a page from search engines, sitemaps, automatic markup, SSL, mobile optimization, clean URLs, translations, and an SEO panel. So the SEO panel is in Squarespace is not really as advanced as what you will have with like purely dedicated SEO tools, but it's still something. You have analytics that the level of analytics within Squarespace is really great. So you have also social media tools. So here you are able to actually access a ton of capabilities around Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, now called X. You have also so you have a lot of players. YouTube, for instance. You also have Squarespace extensions. So Squarespace has many extensions that add functionalities and features to your Squarespace website, and extensions are available for a variety of purposes such as social media, marketing, e-commerce, and fulfillment. By the way, extensions here means plugins, okay? So some of the most popular Squarespace extensions, aka plugins, include Shippo, Printful, QuickBooks, FreshBooks, and ShipStation. So this is really good. You also have professional design services, you have members only content, you have scheduling and appointments, and you have reservation through the Squarespace Tag All In reservation system. Let me talk to you about the rivals here. So when we talk about Squarespace, basically you have a lot of rivals. Squarespace is not the only players here, okay? When it comes to website building, you have access to all kinds of website builders, starting with Wix, then GoDaddy. You also have WordPress, and then you have Shopify. So when you think about Squarespace versus Wix, for instance, Squarespace prices go from $16 all the way to $65, whereas Wix's prices go from $0 to $159. For GoDaddy, you're looking at $10 to $30. For WordPress, it's just free, just pay for hosting. For Shopify, you're looking at $5 all the way to $2,000, depending on the plan that you have. In terms of the number of templates, for Squarespace, you are looking at 100 templates. For Wix, you have more than 800. For GoDaddy, you have more than 100. For WordPress, you have thousands. And for Shopify, you also have more than 100, okay? And in terms of the free trial, with Squarespace, you have a 14-day free trial. Same thing for Wix. For GoDaddy, you have 30 days. For WordPress, you don't need it because it's free 24/7. For Shopify, it's also 14 days. In terms of unlimited storage available, all of them really are actually offering that, except WordPress, where you have to actually reach out to the host. Is there a free version for Squarespace? No. Is there a free version for Wix and GoDaddy? Yes. And so this is kind of cool. And for Shopify, no. Now, in terms of e-commerce, you have e-commerce capabilities through Squarespace, of course, yes. And on all plans except personal. For Wix, it's on business and e-commerce plans. For GoDaddy, this is available on the e-commerce plan. For WordPress, you have it, of course, with a plugin. For Shopify, it's totally e-commerce related. In terms of free domain, this is included on with the annual plan purchase, for which is included on all paid plans. For GoDaddy, you don't have it. And for WordPress, everything depends on the host. So bottom line here is that everything depends on the host. And so if you were to ask me, is a Squarespace better than all the other four? It really depends on what you're going after. If your goal is to look for sleek templates and most importantly, visually appealing templates, then go with Squarespace. So what is the verdict here? Is Squarespace right for you? That's really one of the most important questions you need to ask today. And so the thing is, first of all, let's differentiate two things here. First of all, if you want to use Squarespace for personal use, and then if you want to use Squarespace for business use. Families, couples, and individuals often use Squarespace to create beautiful websites to document and share their life experiences. Scrapbookers, travelers, and photographers find Squarespace's clean templates especially well suited for displaying large amounts of images in a very elegant way. So if you need a website to share your work or event, Squarespace offers a very easy way to do this thanks to its drag and drop editor. It has little learning curve compared to some of its competition, such as WordPress, and you can customize the branding to fit your theme or event. So that's for Squarespace for personal use. What about Squarespace for business use? Well, the Squarespace Site Builder is a popular choice among solopreneurs such as artists, authors, coaches, bloggers, and small businesses such as restaurants, salons, financial services, and fitness centers. It is not a great solution for large, complicated e-commerce sites or those with advanced technical website building skills. With Squarespace, you can build a simple, mobile responsive website in a matter of a few hours. E-commerce functionality allows you to monetize your site, while Squarespace's add-on features such as, let's say, email, calendar management, and reservations provide robust functionality that many business owners find helpful. So the thing is, while there are cheaper platforms on the market, including Wix or GoDaddy Website Builder, the value for the features and design flair Squarespace offers is worth the modest additional expense. So if having an attractive, modern website design is an important element for you, then Squarespace will certainly deliver. And we're talking here about will deliver not only for personal use, but also for business use. Okay. So overall, if beauty has a cost for you, just pay for it, and Squarespace is great for SEO. It's great for e-commerce. It is secure. It is great for blogging. And so it really is a great overall website builder. Yes. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. In today's conversation, I talked about Squarespace website builder. So this was a review, and I gave you the overview, the pros and cons, the features, the pricing, the extras, the value added, the rivals, and the verdict. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.